everyone, welcome to Stephanie's Farmhouse. I'm Stephanie and today we're making bourbon chicken in my Instant Pot. I'm so excited. So let's get started. So the first thing we do is I'm gonna push saute on my Instant Pot, and I want this to get nice and hot while I'm cutting up my chicken. I do have about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in there, and we're gonna brown some chicken. So I'm gonna get started cutting up 6 chicken breasts. Okay, so my Instant Pot is hot and the chicken's going in. Okay, so all my chicken is in, and now I'm just going to stir it just a little bit. And while this is browning, I'm gonna throw all my other ingredients into my bowl, and we're gonna get it rocking. We're going to cut and crush 1 clove of garlic. Half a cup of apple juice. 1 cup of brown sugar. 1 cup soy sauce. 4 tablespoons ketchup. And 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. So on this one, the red pepper flakes, 3/4 of a teaspoon. For me, my kids are young, and so I eyeball how much to put in. Okay, so I'm gonna eyeball mine. For you guys, if you wanna follow this recipe, it is 3/4 of a teaspoon. Okay, so now the last ingredient is grated ginger. And so for me and my family, we love ginger. And so I put in 2 heaping tablespoons of ginger, like heaping. Okay, so now all of my ingredients are together. My chicken's ready to go. I'm gonna shut off the saute on my Instant Pot. I'm going to pour this in my chicken, and we're going to put the lid on and get this fired up. Okay, so everything is in, and now we're ready to put the lid on. We're going to push poultry, and 10 minutes. This recipe is gonna cook for 10 minutes. If you wanted it longer or shorter, depending on what you're cooking, you would just push the plus or minus. This one is for 10 minutes. We're gonna make sure the vent is closed. This is the vent. It goes this way to be closed. If you wanna manually vent it when it's done, you would turn it this way. We want it closed so it builds pressure. And that's it. So once it pressures up, it'll take 10 minutes. I'm gonna throw some rice on my stovetop, and that's how I'm serving it tonight. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope it was helpful for you to make this awesome recipe. We love it. I hope you do too. And if you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.